Hello friends, welcome to my channel Codify. So today we are going to learn two very important HTML tags. So one is image tag and another is anchor tag. So these are essential for building any real website. So in part 1, let's talk about image tag. So in HTML, we use image tag to display images on a web page. So it is a self-closing tag, meaning it does not need a closing tag. So first of all, let's see, the use of this tag. So first of all, I will create a file index.html, and here I will give my boilerplate, and here I will give my image tag. So here you can see there is no closing tag, and it is a self-closing tag. So here for image we need also a image. Okay, so from Google, let's have an image from here. Cristiano Ronaldo image. Beg your pardon if you're not a Cristiano Ronaldo fan. Okay, uh, PNG file. So let's download it. So here I will choose documents HTML, then my file, and I will rename the file name is Ronaldo. Okay, Ronaldo. Okay, Ronaldo.png. Okay, now it is saved. Now let's close it, and you can see there is a file, this Ronaldo, which is a PNG file. Now if I give Ronaldo, here you can see it is already suggesting our PNG file. Now let's select it. Now let's see whether we got our image or not. Okay, now let's run this on our live server. So let's see. So here you can see we have our image. So in this way we can use image tag, and we will see the broader use of image tag in our next tutorial, whether we will design a full complete website using proper image tag. Okay, so if you want to manipulate the width and length, you can also do that. So let's do it for now. Now let's give some inline style. Okay, so let's give some styling here, style style. Then we will give our width, which is suppose 300 pixel, and we will give our height is 300 pixel. Okay, so if we click save and then go to our, here you can see the shape has been changed, and in this way you can see we can change the shape of the our image tag. Okay, or our image. So this is it for our first part, which is our image tag. Now we will jump into our next part. So our next part is anchor tag. So it is used to create links in HTML. So it allows user to navigate from one page to another page. So let's create a anchor tag here, and if we click enter, then there you can see we have something to give, suppose a link. So let's have a link. So from here we will click Google, and here you can see, so our link could be google.com. Okay, so let's give the link to here. So let's give the link here, and here in the anchor tag we will give go to Google. Now if we will save it, and we will see what would be our output. So here you can see we have our output, which is go to Google. So we will close this tab, and if we click go to Google, then you can see we have redirect to our Google page. So here suppose I will remove the link. Okay, and I will click save, and then go to our browser tab, and if I click, nothing happens because we don't have any link here. So in this way you can generate links in your HTML file. So this is it for today, and I will see you next time.